Hi y'all, mini vlog. Come with me as we go shopping for me to cook, as well as talking to y'all about any updates I have. So let's do it. It's Kiki, owner of Self-Care Apparel, and we're back with another video. In today's video, y'all, we are heading towards Walmart. I gotta pick up some food, stuff for my kids, and yeah, so it's updating y'all on what's going on. So what's going on is I figured a way. I mastered a way. Y'all know what I mastered? If those you know, or you don't know, or you're new here, I am practicing self-care, self-love due to bad relationship problems, friendships, and all that area that does with your mental health and all that. So that's what I practice and I'm standing on. And I recently came across where I said enough is enough, and I told myself, where's our happiness going to start? When we're going to be happy? When this thing's going to be so better for us to be happy and live our life? So with all that, I ran into another person who practices self-care, self-love. Love her down to the season 2. And her brand is around that. And so me and her both have our brand on it, and life has been good to see other people share positive things, positive light on each other, and all that. So that's what we do. And yeah, but I recently just got into affirmations, and I found me one good affirmation that I read every morning to start my day, and it just feels so good to get a connection with God and live this life that I didn't see because I was so blinded, and He made it so clear for me. And so now I don't have a desire of spending money so badly. Like, me spending money is on things I need to buy, whatever I'm buying it for. And what I mastered, you guys, is placing my money in things that I need to pay off so I can have money left over. That's what I'm mastering, and that's what I gotta hang up. So now I'm trying to master revenue for my business. And I figured if I could find ways to do different pitch sales for different stuff I do, but I'll be back when we get to the store. Hi you guys, I'm gonna show you what I got back from the store. You wanna see? So what we got from the store, I'm gonna start with this bag. If y'all know about hamburger helper, I'm about like, give it them. Give it them. Okay, and it up. I got me some green peppers and some yellow peppers for my spaghetti that I'm cooking. I love sweets. I got me the strawberry cheesecake. Okay, and last but not least, y'all, I had no business. No business. Mind you, it's that butterscotch. I love me some butterscotch. I had no business. No. Alright, you guys, if you like today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Bye. Bye, y'all.